Hi! In front of me is Nokia T21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Nokia. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and access security. Following that, scroll down again, click on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to create it. Choose next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on confirm. Lastly, click on the best option for notifications on lock screen. In my case, don't show notifications at all. When ready, click on Done. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!